Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the 2020 iPhone SE. 2020 has been notoriously bad, but I sure hope it will be different for this phone. I was very impressed with my previous iPhone SE, which I used for almost 5 years. It still works and is currently running the latest iOS 14. One reason for that is because at the time it was launched, the entry-level iPhone was equipped with a flagship processor. This and Apple's continuous support essentially guaranteed its longevity. The same is true here. This uses the A13 Bionic, which was only recently superseded by the A14 of the latest iPhone 12. Let's open it. So we have the paperwork and the stickers. And the SIM ejector tool. So we also have earpods. These are wired ones. A lightning cable, and a charger. This is probably the last iPhone that will have this charger. So here's the phone. We have a 4.7-inch LCD display, not OLED. And then we have a 7-megapixel front-facing camera, the earpiece speaker, and a Touch ID button. It's not a physical button, so there's no Face ID here. The sides are made of smooth rounded aluminum. There's nothing at the top, and on the left side there's the mute switch and the volume buttons. I've had this go bad on my previous iPhones, so I sure hope this lasts longer. On the right side, we have the power button and the SIM tray, which you can open with the SIM ejector tool. At the bottom, we just have the speakers and the lightning port. There is no 3.5mm jack, which is a bummer since I use headphones and charge at the same time, almost all the time. At the back, we have the 12-megapixel camera, the microphone, and the True Tone flash. So the whole back is made of glass because this one supports wireless charging, which doesn't really make sense to me because with wireless, I would expect mobility, so you should be able to move this around and use it. But in the case of wireless, you actually just leave it on the charging plate. So I don't know which one's better, wireless or wired charging. And that's it for my unboxing of the 2020 iPhone SE. Overall, this looks like a really good value package with a premium feel. I'm looking forward to using this for the next 4 or 5 years. So maybe stay tuned for that and subscribe. Thank you for watching.